When the factory encounters low efficiency of manual bending, Altron Intelligent Flexible Bending Center helps you solve the problem of sheet metal forming. Workers only need to place the workpiece on the work surface. The equipment automatically positions and automatically bends, an average of one workpiece in 30 seconds. Good consistency of metal bending and forming. The Bending Center supports 3D drawing import programming, one-click import of 3D drawings, system intelligent analysis, automatic generation of bending instructions, and synchronous generation of 3D simulation animation. Altron has patented power leaf blade technology, which uses full servo control to expand and contract the leaf blade, which can effectively avoid scraping plate indentation and other situations that cause scratches or wear on the surface of the sheet metal panel. The Bending Center is widely used in many sheet metal forming fields, with a maximum bending size of up to 4.2 meters and a maximum bending thickness of up to 3 millimeters. Altron Flexible Bending Center System reserves a wealth of industrial 4.0 interfaces, which can be connected to the robotic arm to realize automatic loading and unloading. With a self-driving robotic arm, the same control system as the Bending Center, there is no need for secondary programming to replace the workpiece. The system automatically generates the robotic arm movement according to the bending instruction, which is more efficient and better coordinated. Show the shapes and cases that can be processed with the Flexible Bending Center. Please send your product drawings, and Altron engineers will contact you as soon as possible.